Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the topic about how to pay the patent agent fee online once you have cleared the patent agent exam. If you're a patent agent or aspiring to become one, this guide is tailored just for you. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's understand the basics. Patent agents play a crucial role in the patenting process, and it's essential to ensure their registration remains active. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide for fee payment without using a digital signature. Agents opting for non-digital signature payments must register on the IP India website. Create a new user account and enter your Indian patent agent number without any prefixes or suffixes. Validate your INPA number to generate a unique user ID and password. On successful registration, a registered user will have options to pay the continuation fee online. We have the fee for registration, known as Form 22. In online mode, it's 3,200 Indian rupees, while offline, it's 3,500 Indian rupees. Remember, this is a one-time payment. Next, we have the continuation fee payable annually. It's 800 Indian rupees online and 880 Indian rupees offline. You can choose to pay yearly or opt for a longer duration up to 15 years or so. Once registered, agents who wish to pay the fee without the use of digital signature are required to log in with your user ID and password. Select for continuation of the name of a person in the register of patent agent. Only registered user will be able to pay the fee against their agent number. Fee for third party cannot be paid. Enter valid agent number, year for which continuation fee is desired to be paid. Save the content. Now your drafted form for payment of fee is ready. Go to drafted form. You can view, edit, upload or verify documents. Use as per the requirement. After verifying the details, only payment can be made. Go to payment form. Select the forms against which payment is desired to be made. You can discard this payment form or proceed with it. Make payment. On successful payment, information is displayed on the screen. You can save the receipt for the payment by selecting the option Download CBR. Finally, confirm if there are any pending transactions. And there you go. You have successfully made the payment for continuation of name in the register of patent agent. In case the name is lapsed, fee for restoration is 1600 in INR and 1750 in offline mode. Also, one must remember, patent agent, if he/she defaults in the payment of renewal for continuation fee specified in Rule 115 and the first schedule entry number 34 of the Patents Rules 2003 by more than 3 months after they are due, the name of the agent is liable to be deleted or removed from the register of patent agents unless a request for hearing is made by the agent in this regard. In case of removal or deletion of the name of the patent agent from the register of patent agents, the request for restoration of the name, under Section 130 of the Patents Act 1970 and Rule 117 of the Patents Rules 2003, shall be made in the prescribed manner within 2 months from the date of such removal. Addition. In the event of any alteration of an entry in the register of patent agent, Form 30th may be submitted along with the fee for of 320 in INR and 350 in offline mode. You can check the updated information on the website link for electronic register of patent agents. Please find attached the link given the description. It takes couple of days for the update to reflect after the payment is made. One can search using the agent number or the agent name. Green status implies that the renewal is valid till the date mentioned. Orange status implies default in the payment of fees as specified in Rule 115 of the Patents Rules 2003. Red status implies removed from the register of patent agents as per Rule 116 of the Patents Rules 2003. And there you have it, a seamless guide to paying your patent agent fees. Remember, staying updated with your payments is crucial to maintaining your registration status. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for informative videos and to encourage us to make such content.